How to wire the lights to Dali controllers. Connection Dali smart lighting system is not difficult as you think. This video will show you how to wire it step by step.
What devices required? Dali control, Dali lights, 48 voltage transformer, a trick, and a pole feeder. Let's connect all above devices. Pole feeder connects the trick. Pole feeder connects the transformer. And the Dali master connects the pole feeder. And the Dali controller connects the computer. Transformer input connect 230 voltage. Dali controller input connect 230 voltage. Dali light connect the trick. Finally, test it. Turn on, turn off, forget dimmer. And that's it. You now have a smart flexible lighting system. Thanks for watching.